Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can enable the flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. For that, you need to go to your menu, go to settings, and then go to accessibility down here. Then you need to go to advanced settings and then we have flash notification here. Flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarm sounds. So flash notification, all apps. I don't know if we can see an example. No, it doesn't. Let's say if we see an example of the flash notification, selected apps. So we can select apps when we want that to preview. Oh, nice. Okay. So this is what it looks like when we get notifications. And maybe when we turn that on and click on preview, then this is what it looks like. So you can set your settings here, all apps. You can also choose some apps. Same here with the flash notification on your screen. And then you can, go back, and then if you get notifications, your camera will flash, your flashlight will light up, or your screen, or both, or none, whatever you set there. So that's how you can enable and customize the flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.